Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you something very spectacular. I'm gonna show you ChatGPT o1 plus model, the normal ChatGPT o1, right? Plus model. And then I'm going to show you ChatGPT o1 Pro model as well. Right now, let me share you what are the top AI tools which you would like to use at work. I would always go to Google AI Studio. And the reason is that you get free access to all the top best AI models. Like look at this. You have the in the preview version, you have Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental, the Gemini Pro model, right? You don't have to pay 2000 rupees a month. You can use it here, and then you have access to this new model. It's being called the Google Centaur. So this is the new AI model which is supposed to be the best Google's model that will even beat O1 Pro. I repeat, it will beat O1 Pro. So let me show you how. You can ask it anything. And before I go ahead, you can look at the token limit. It's 2 million. Means you can upload a 1 hour movie or something like a 1,000 page PDF, a whole textbook of law, and you can ask it a question. Unlike ChatGPT, which will say, hey, my context is not that much. Please, your message is too long. In Google, that is not the problem, and hence I always suggest any new starter to use Google AI Studio. It's free. It's the same way. You just have to prompt, and you have options to upload a file. You have options to take camera. You can my drive, and then there's in tools. There is an option called okay, it's not in this one. Maybe in the if you look at Gemini 1.5 Pro, there is an option of grounding. So all your search, whatever question you ask, it will search on Google and make sure the answers are related to that only. So no, it will give you a source also for whatever question you ask. And the best and the most important is the stream real time. Now you get the option to chat, talk to Gemini. You can switch on video and do face live chat. You can even share your screen and ask it questions. I'm going to show you how you can scrape and it will reply to you back in audio. So let me show you how. Right. So this is it. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I help you today?
See, that's great. It's answering well. Let me switch on my video as well. So one is the option of sharing my screen. So I can ask it question that, hey, what do you see here? Right? I can share my
Okay.
entire
I
screen and it will be able to see it. Can you tell me
I understand.
which app is this?
Okay, I can see your screen now. What would you like me to identify?
Yeah. Can you identify this app?
I see a Google Chrome window with the title Stream Real Time and some related options. Are you referring to a specific app within that window or the window itself?
Okay, maybe I've screen shared. Then you can have the option to share your camera. And the best part in camera is you can speak to it and you can say, can you tell me how many fingers? Can you count them?
You Yes, I see you are holding up 3 fingers.
Yeah. Okay. And any idea which cap am I wearing?
I see that you are wearing a blue denim cap.
Great. So that was the fun part. Now let me go to the work part, right? You have the option to web scrape. So if you let me start a new real time. Okay, so I'll show you how we do it. I'll go up to stream real time and instead of audio, let it come back with me with text. Okay, grounding is always good. So I'll share my screen and that to entire window, right? So, hey, can you tell me, I'll show you a website and just list down all the AI tools which you see here, right? All the AI tools which you see here. Okay. I just scrape all the things and you need to present this to me in tabular format. So I'm just holding it out. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me make it easier for it. Uh, yeah. scrape all the websites which you see here, all the restaurant names along with price, and show me it in tabular format, all of which you can see here, right? So I'll pause for a minute. I hope you are recording it all, and I want you to give me the cumulative table which shows all the restaurants in Powai. Okay, okay. So it has actually generated with price also. Interesting. So this is an easy way to scrape websites and their data just using Google Gemini. Um so you can visit any website and you can ask it to share. Okay, great. Thank you. Let me now show the next AI model that I prefer using. Next is Perplexity. And Perplexity is something that is quite famous, which everyone uses. But when you have a new Chrome extension, it's by the name Complexity. Your Perplexity AI becomes supercharged. You have the option to choose language model right in front. I prefer Claude 3.5 Sonnet because it's more human-like. You have also the focus option. So if your prompt requires math, you can select math. If it doesn't require web search, you can select writing. If you want to watch video, discover watch. Or if you want opinions on Reddit, then you can select that and it will search accordingly. And the best part is you have the option of using Perplexity spaces. So let me just open this up. Here there's a plus icon and you can open a page. So this is your tool to create a Wikipedia type article. And like if I can prompt say anything, right? Like one India, one election bill, since it's in the news, and I want the audience to for experts. So it should be able to generate. Uh, First it will make a whole article, an outline. See, you can see the outline here. And now it's going to the Perplexity bot rewriting to each. So that's something very nice. And it's your first way if you are looking to write an article or deep dive. You can, instead of just searching on Perplexity, you can make a whole space. It's called Perplexity Space. And then you can share this blog. You can publish it right over here. And it's been published and I can share it anywhere. So that was Perplexity 5. So hope you like this video. Do share my video and subscribe. Thanks.